This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Wealthfront savings account. First, navigate to the Wealthfront website or download their mobile app. Look for the Get Started or Open an Account button to begin the process. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information to create your initial profile. This step is quick and sets the foundation for your new high-yield cash account, helping you earn more on your savings right away. It offers FDIC insurance up to $8 million. Next, you'll complete the application by providing your personal details. This includes your full name, date of birth, and social security number, which is standard for financial accounts. You'll also link an external bank account, which will be used for your initial deposit and future transfers. Wealthfront uses robust security measures to protect your information throughout this verification process, ensuring your data remains private and secure. Once your application is approved, it's time to fund your new Wealthfront cash account. You can initiate an initial deposit from your linked external bank account. While there's no minimum to open, depositing as little as $1 allows you to start earning interest sooner. You can also set up recurring deposits to automate your savings, making it easy to consistently grow your money without constant manual transfers. This flexibility helps you reach your financial goals. With your Wealthfront cash account open and funded, you can now easily manage your savings. The intuitive dashboard allows you to track your balance and see your interest earnings grow. You can transfer funds in or out whenever you need, offering great flexibility. Wealthfront also provides tools to help you plan for future goals, like buying a home or saving for retirement, all within a secure and user-friendly platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.